my channel Creative Art. I am Nilima and today we are going to do a decoupage art. Decoupage is the art of decorating an object by gluing decorative paper like decoupage napkin, decoupage paper or rice paper in combination with special paint effects, gold leaf or other decorative elements. So friends, do watch the complete video to do this beautiful decoupage art yourself, and do subscribe my channel friends for more creative art painting videos, and do press the bell icon to get notification for each video I post every week. And in today's video friends, we are going to do a decoupage art on a very simple spectacle box and make it into this beautiful and creative spectacle box as you are. So let's quickly check out all the materials now friends. In this video friends, we are going to recycle and decorate one of my mother's spec box and give it a new look. And for that, I'm going to use a very beautiful printed rice paper. Rice papers are very much similar to the decoupage napkins we use, just they have a bigger size and a very thin base to work with. So this is a rose printed beautiful decoupage napkin which I have bought from Craftify Z, which is a Facebook page. I'll surely mention you the link in the description box below. Next, I'm going to use white Fevicryl acrylic color for my base coloring and Mod Podge to place this decoupage on our base. And next, we will be using a Liquitex Professional High Gloss Varnish to seal our decoupage art and give it a longer life. And other than that friends, you're just going to need two paint brushes. The first one is a flat hair brush number 8. The second one is a round hair brush number 00 and a palette. I will surely mention all the links in the description box below from where you can buy them online. So let's start the DIY now friends. First of all, we're going to do a base layer of Fevicryl acrylic color on the box. So here I have already poured some acrylic color, and using a flat hair brush, I'm gently going to apply acrylic color on the complete outer surface. If you're not comfortable with brush, you can also use a sponge and just tap the acrylic color or chalk paint on the box. Each time let one surface get dry and then do the back side and the rest of the sides. Now I have finally completed coloring the spec box, and this is how it looks, and it has also got dried up as I did keep it for 3 to 4 hours. So now friends, as you can see, there are two parts in this box. This one is the bottom part and this one is the top part. So for the top part, I have decided to do the decoupage art on it, whose background is white, so we will let it be white. But for the back part, I have decided to add a little bit of twist by using One Step Crackle Medium. This is one of the best crackle mediums and I always advise you to use this one. To use this is very easy. Just pour it in your palette or on the surface you want to do crackle medium, and then gently using brush spread it all around the surface you want to see those beautiful cracks. As you know, I have already done a base layer of white, so I'm directly applying the crackling medium on it. Generously spread it all around. If you want smaller cracks, do apply a thin layer, and if you want thick cracks, do apply a generous amount, so you'll get bigger cracks. Now I will let it be in this way for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then you'll start applying the black color. Now after 20 minutes, the crackling medium has got dried up completely. So here I'm going to use a black acrylic paint in my flat hair brush and give a gentle layer. I'll start from one direction and gently apply the black color. Be quick, because as soon as you apply color, the crackling medium starts showing its effect. So within a minute I'm done. Just within a minute, you can clearly see the crackling paste has started showing its effect and the cracks have started to place in all the parts. So now I will let it get dry for at least 24 hours naturally, so that all the crackle medium gives it effect on all over the back side of the box. And let's check it out after 24 hours and then we can do our next step. I'm going to add a little bit water in my palette, and using a round hair brush number 00, I'm simply going to separate the excess part of the decoupage in this way. So just use some water in your paintbrush and apply it across the design. If you're not used to this, you can also directly use a scissor, but this part is just to get those tiny details and separate the decoupage or rice paper very carefully. So now I'm using a toothpick and gently tearing the rice paper from the part I want to separate the excess paper in this way. This type of tearing helps the tissue paper to merge in the paint or the base nicely as compared to the scissor cut. And then I'm gently going to remove the excess paper, and here is the exact cut we got. Now let's check whether it exactly fits the part we cut it out for. Okay, so this exactly fits the box. So now friends, we are going to use a Mod Podge, the gloss version, to place this rice paper on place. So pour a little bit of it in your palette. Only this much would be enough. And then using flat hair brush, I'm going to first of all layer it only on the center part. Place it exactly how I decided. Then gently using my finger, I'm going to spread the rice paper on the box exactly how I want it to be. Now friends, you can see few edges are standing up. I have kept them that way so that I can gently fix it. So I'll again take a little bit of Mod Podge and then apply it on one side. Then again bring down the decoupage or the rice paper in this way. Okay, so it got fixed very easily. Now the next side. And now for the side, as I was folding this rice paper, I was getting here a wrinkle. So what I have done is I have separated it in this way. Then again I'm going to apply some Mod Podge. Place the flower layer first in this way, and then place the second layer overlapping it on the flower. As there was a big wrinkle in the flower part, so I did make an insertion and overlapped one part on other, and this is how you can avoid wrinkles in such beautiful designs also. The same I'm going to do in this part. So I'll just make one insertion, then lay one part very nicely, take a little bit of Mod Podge in my paintbrush, and then overlay the second part. So now friends, we have finally completed placing the rice paper on our box. So let's apply the second layer of Mod Podge. Apply a generous amount of Mod Podge all over the rice paper and cover the complete rice paper and the top part of the box using the Mod Podge. Make sure that you don't tear the rice paper in any case. And now friends, I will let it get dry for at least 24 hours, and then we can do our next and final step of varnishing. After 24 hours, our decoupage glue has got dried up completely, and this is how our decoupage napkin looks on the box. As there was already a crackling effect image on the rice paper, so I have simply extended the same image by giving my personal touch using a black acrylic color and paintbrush, and extended the crackle effect till the end of the boxes, which really brings up the effect very beautifully. So now friends, let's do our one last but very important step, that is to do varnish on our decoupage art, which will give it a longer life and more sustainability. So here I'm going to use my best varnish, which is Liquitex Professional High Gloss Varnish. This is the varnish I use on most of my artworks, and we're going to need just a little bit of varnish as it gives quite a good coverage and a very beautiful glossy look. So here I'm using my flat hair brush, and using my flat hair brush I'm going to apply it on the top of the box, on the side of the box, and completely cover it with the varnish. If you want, you can give 2 to 3 layers of varnish by letting it get dry and repeating the same step after 2 to 3 hours. As I'm going to use this box just for indoor use, so only 1 layer would be enough. So now I will let it get dry for 3 hours and then let's see finally how does it looks. Okay. Now friends, this is how beautiful our spectacle box looks when the varnish has got dried up completely, leaving a glossy look and a smooth touch all over the box. I absolutely love the crackling effect we have added on the base, and the contrast look is spectacular to look in these creations. So friends, if you're creative, why not make your own accessories creative as you? Friends, if you did like this video, try watching more videos from the playlist which is given in the description box below, which will help you increase more knowledge about the same topic. And friends, do tell me in the comments below how did you like this video, and if you do like my videos friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.